there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use camera alarm system on your TP-Link C325WB. Let's get started. So if we will open our camera in the tab application, here you'll be able to notice this button which says that alarm is turned off. Your camera has function which is named alarm, and now let me tell you how it works. Let's imagine that a robber has breaked into your house, and if the alarm is enabled and the robber will go to the view of the camera, so for example my hand is a robber, and if the alarm is enabled it will trigger with some really annoying and loud sounds, and also it will light up so it can scare away the robber. Now let's test it how it works. I'll click on this alarm button and then put my camera in the camera view. And now you was able to see how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.